You guys, I spent so much money on this Kardashian Kylie Jenner order. Like, I don't even want to say how much money I spent because I have never spent this much money shopping anywhere in my entire life, okay? I spent more money on this Amazon order than I did on my lifelong prized possession, my dog. Let me show you how many packages I got in the mail. I am pretty sure that as these were arriving at our house, my family thought I was insane. They thought I lost my mind. They were like, oh, why? Why are you spending so much money on a YouTube channel that 25 people have subscribed to? But we're here and it's okay. I'm gonna try the Kylie, what's her name? Why can I not remember? I'm gonna try the Kylie and the Kendall clothes that they have on Amazon for you, and I'm excited. I've opened up into some of these, some of them I haven't seen yet, so let's see how it goes. Okay, so the first item up, we have the Kendall and Kylie women's vegan leather joggers. Now, one thing that is actually really cool is that a lot of the items, not every single item, but a lot of them did come with a free mask, so it's kind of cute, kind of fun. Here's the joggers. They feel pretty high quality, they're pretty thick. They have this like elastic band around the waist, so I think they should be pretty comfortable. We'll see what they look like on. Right off the bat, I have to say, I don't know if I could have sized up a size just because they're like pretty tight to my skin, and joggers are typically, you know, like a little bit looser. So maybe if I were to purchase them and keep them, I would try the medium instead of the small. Also, I don't really feel like it's doing my booty any favors, but overall not horrible. They are pretty comfortable. They're not like too stiff at all. I can move really freely and comfortably. So I do like that, but overall, I think I'd give these like a 5 out of 10. Probably not going to keep them. Okay, then I got this shirt. Now, upon first feel, it does not feel high quality. It's also much smaller than I was expecting. I typically get an extra small in tops. On this one, I had imagined it being a little bit oversized, so I went with the small, and I have to say it looks like it would kind of just fit me like a regular t-shirt, so I'm kind of disappointed in that. Now this one did retail for $26.25, so it's not like crazy expensive, but I have to say for the quality, if I had seen this in a store, I would not touch it and think I would spend $26 on that. So yeah, and also like not that cute, honestly. Okay, now next we're gonna be trying their leggings on. So these have like the little Kylie and Kendall waistband around it that says their name. They feel honestly super thin, and then they have these like darts that go down across the front. So interested to see how that looks. They look pretty boxy, like just look at the butt before it's even on. Like, does that look flattering to you? Next outfit, this time I went with the leggings and the t-shirt. I just combined them because I figured, you know, I would typically put leggings and a t-shirt together. Now, I have to say, I think I could have come up with something cuter with leggings and a t-shirt from Walmart. This is just not. Now they fit around my thighs and my like legs, but I have like way too much room up in this region, and I don't know if it's just because Amazon didn't have the extra small. Also though, like typically I am just a small on the bottoms, like a small to medium even. So this is kind of odd. The leggings are like, they're bad. Okay. Now the t-shirt, yeah, I actually feel like this isn't that cute either. We have this purple turtleneck bodysuit. Now this one, it's a little bit odd, but I am actually pretty excited to try it on. It's really soft. I do like the material of this. I have high hopes because sometimes bodysuits can just be like so uncomfortable, and I feel like this one is not going to be too bad to wear. Now it's not like horrible or anything, I don't know. It's a little much for me, you know? I mean, there's a lot happening. I don't know if I can quite pull this one off. This like ruching on the shoulder is a little bit itchy. I can like feel it moving around, and I know that by the end of the day I'd probably be a little bit irritated from it. And also the sleeves on this one, like they're really long, and I don't know, maybe it's because I'm supposed to be like scrunching it up, but then I'm just getting this like weird like floppy shoulder thing happening. So like Besides the ruching, it is really soft and it feels nice for a bodysuit. But yeah, I'm not keeping this one. It's going back. Okay, then I wanted to get a pair of pants, so I got these like corduroy jogger things. They look super comfy. Again, kind of like out of my style range, but I'm open to it. So I'm actually pretty excited to try these on. I got the size small in them again. And all right, here's the corduroy pants on. I have to say I'm a little bit surprised. I do think they're pretty cute. Now, a couple things, they are not fitting me perfectly. They are tight, like in my thigh and crotch region, and then it feels like a little bit roomy up here, like I'm getting some funny like pouching, and then it is like skin tight in this area. Actually, I'm probably gonna return them. The more I look at like this, like that, that's not cute, right? I feel funny. And next up we have this super cute little like blue tie-dye cropped cardigan. One thing, I did have to get the extra small in this because the extra small was sold out, but I think it's actually okay. I think it worked out because on this, I do feel like you could size down a size, like just by looking at it. I don't think you need to get your regular size. I think you could probably size down and it will still be oversized. I think it's pretty cute. I like this sweater. I might end up keeping this one. I did have to roll the sleeves up. Yeah, I think this one's really cute. I like it. So easy, super cute, comfy. It's pretty light. Now the next item, this one's weird, okay? These are cotton shorts with their leggings sewn in underneath them, okay? This is by far like the lowest quality looking item that I've seen, so like in the bunch so far. I'm just like, what am I gonna wear this with? I really like an oversized sweatshirt. I don't know. This is going back, I can already tell you. Do I really have to say anything about these? There's not much. Yeah, so they're the same quality as the leggings because they are the leggings. There's like a fake button. It's weird and I feel weird. And if I wore these out, people would look. And that's why I'm sending them back. Now the next item I'm actually a little bit excited for. It is this little, it's like a mock corset top. So it's like the bottom is this stretchy material and that's what's giving it the corset effect. And then it's just kind of like a loose blank t-shirt on top. I'm excited. I tried some of these on before I started filming and my family made fun of me a little bit for it. So we'll see if I end up keeping it or not. Okay, this has got to be by far my most favorite item so far. I like it. I just keep going kind of like back and forth on it. Like, I don't know. I think it's cute. It's a little bit like longer than I would like because I usually like all my jeans are high-waisted and I just think it would be a little bit cuter if it was more cropped. So I kind of tucked it up a little bit so that it was just a little bit shorter and just a little bit of skin showed. But I think it's cute. I might keep it. I don't know. We'll see. I wanted to try like one of their dresses, one of the like more dressy, cute going out outfits. So I ended up with this one. It is this plaid puff sleeve like baby doll style dress. I think it's pretty cute. It's like has like interesting print on it, so you can see it has like the plaid and then there's like green and red stripes on it as well. So actually it'd be kind of really cute for like a Christmas party dress. I think this one is pretty cute. I like it. One thing that I'm noticing like instantly though is very tight around my arms. But overall it's still cute. I like the way it fits. It's just pretty simple, you know. I don't think I'll keep it because I don't know that I would really get that much wear out of this dress. But I do like it. I think it's cute and it does feel pretty high quality. Like the material on this dress feels nice and thick, like it's gonna hold up for a long time. So I do like that. Here's the back. I think it's pretty cute. Okay, and then for our very last item, I wanted to try one of the jackets just to sort of see like the full range of clothing. So I got this little like cropped teddy jacket. It's kind of like a bomber style jacket. It has super soft and fluffy material on the outside, and then on the inside it is like silky. So yeah, I think it's cute. I got a size extra small and I probably should have gotten the small because I do imagine it being a little bit bigger and oversized than this. So if you're watching and you want this, maybe go a size up if you're going for that look. It's pretty cute. There's a couple things right off the bat that I'm noticing that I don't like. The sleeves are like, I don't know if it's supposed to be like 3/4 sleeves or not, but that's what I'm getting here. Yeah, it's cute. Not mind-blowing, but it's pretty cute. Okay, that is all for this video. If you made it this far, good job, okay? I can see, okay? I can see. On my analytics, everyone, they're like, you know, watching the video, and then like 2 minutes in, I did all this work, and 2 minutes in, they're like, peace, okay? So if you made it this far, good job. Go ahead, let me know down in the comments. And also, I just had a few questions. So you guys remember when Kendall and Kylie did that collaboration with PacSun? Their line is like still called Kylie and Kendall or Kylie something on PacSun, but it's very clearly different than the clothes that I'm seeing on Amazon. Like, they're cheaper, they're like more trendy. Oh, do you guys know, is it still run by Kendall and Kylie, or is that like its own separate label that they have nothing to do with anymore? And if you're interested, let me know down in the comments if you want me to review that PacSun line. Might be interesting just to kind of see what it's like. So yeah, anyways, I hope you guys liked it. I had a lot of fun. Make sure you subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you next time.